goal is to set the world land speed record. The innovation, the technology required to go speeds these days is quite staggering. Everything down to wheel bearings, to wheels, rocket propulsion is what we're using. Everything we're doing on a car like this is extremely innovative. Our goal is to go 1,000 mile an hour, 1,600 kilometres an hour. Never ever had any joy with talking to different people about what we're trying to achieve and trying to get some sort of grant to support us financially. And it wasn't until I met Martin Reid from Insight that I was just so very, very impressed with what he and his company do, and he was just exactly the right fit for where we're at. They know the right people to get the job done, but as far as processing claims and stuff like that, they know the lingo, they know how to put it together, and they know how to make it happen. With Insight's R&D plan that they've put through for us, obviously what that does for us is help us to achieve a lot more in a short space of time. The bottom line is to get some R&D money back. It just means that instead of wasting weeks and weeks and weeks with begging letters and trying to excite people with what we're doing, we can just go out and say to the best company that can do the job, we need this product done, we need it done tomorrow. I've never met anyone like Insight before that have put their hand up to say, listen, we'll get you going with what you're doing, and made the effort to do it. And it's a godsend for us.
Hello, my name is Derek Graham. I'm the Managing Director of QuickBoat. QuickBoat is a unique 3.5 metre long folding boat. It unfolds in less than 60 seconds. It takes 4 people on board. It can do 20 knots with an 8 horsepower outboard. And once you're finished with it, you can just fold it back up and put it on top of your car and hang it on your garage wall. So QuickBoat has done a great deal of development work to develop a very unique product with no less than 5 patents and design registrations. What that means is cost and time. The ability to be able to get an R&D rebate for those companies that aren't generating income is enormously important for startup companies. Insight were proactively helping us when we first structured up the company, sought some of our consultants. They are able to analyse within the financial model those sections of the development program that were applicable to an R&D rebate, and then of course ultimately make application using the required forms, working and liaising with the relevant officers at Oz Industries and then the ATO. So we're delighted to be able to stay with Insight Business and Martin Reid for that purpose.
Hello, I'm Peter Boswell of Bostech Drilling. I've been in this business for 25 years. Bostech Drilling's speciality is air core drilling, which has turned out to be a fast, economic, low footprint method, which is gaining greater popularity or greater usage in the exploration, greenfields exploration. Bostech Drilling finds that ongoing R&D is actually crucial to our survival, and that everybody that knows that we're doing this R&D, so we also like to make sure that our clients are aware of what we are doing so that they can utilise some of the advantages. And if you are involved in any innovation or improvement of equipment, my advice is to talk to Insight and see whether they can help you and whether that you would fit within the criteria for R&D grants.
The Eco Shark barrier is unique because it is made out of plastic, super strong, long lasting, durable, low maintenance, and it is certainly unlike any other net out there. Well, this project at the moment is up around $750,000, and the R&D grant certainly helped me get some of that money back to redevelop the barrier to a better product. Yeah, to work with Insight, they've been awesome. They have had no trouble whatsoever, been very prompt and efficient at what they do. Very professional.
Hi, my name is Aaron Wolf. I'm a Director and Business Development Manager for Australian Exploration Engineering. Here at Oztex we manufacture drill rigs for the exploration and mining industry. Drill rigs of all kinds and shapes and sizes, drill rigs that perform different functionalities. I guess the areas that we focus on, the reliability of a piece of equipment, its functionality, the ergonomics of the equipment and how easy and functional it is for the operator. Safety of course is a big thing, and as well as environmental protection and exposure. So R&D is a pretty big part of what we do here at Oztex. In actual fact it's grown bigger than what we expected it would.